Okay, I'm going to go through a slightly more complicated example here, and it's a good practice of what we know about parabolas and quadratic equations, and checking off our substitution skills as well. So it's a good little practice question. So it reads, a parabola has a vertex with coordinates -4, 1, and it passes through the point 2, -17. Find the equation of the parabola. Okay, so first of all we're told what the vertex, which is good, but we're not told the y-intercept this time. We're just told a general point on the parabola. It shouldn't make too much of a problem for us, so here goes. First things first, let's remind ourselves that to figure out to use the vertex, remind ourselves that this comes from completed square form. So I can write my equation as y is equal to x plus 4 all squared plus 1. Okay? Now, this isn't quite right yet, okay? I don't know whether the parabola has been stretched or if it has been squeezed inwards, okay? So I'm going to have to put an a on the front just in case. So I'm going to multiply out this bracket. So y is equal to a, I'm going to leave a outside for the time being, x squared plus 8x plus 16. I've still got that plus 1 on the outside. So multiply through, and I get ax squared plus 8ax plus 16a plus 1. So my job here is to really figure out the value of a. And the way I'm going to do this is by substituting in the other point that I've been given. So sub in 2 minus 17. Because obviously the equation has to satisfy 2 minus 17 as well. So this should be able to give me the value of a. So y is minus 17. A, I don't know yet. X is 2, so 2 squared times a is 4a. I've got 8 times a times 2, so that gives me 16a. Plus another 16a plus 1. So let's bring all those expressions in a together, all the collect like terms. 4a, 16a is 20a, plus 16a is 36a. I've still got that plus 1 on the end, don't forget. So let's take 1 from both sides. So minus 18 is equal to 36a. So a must be equal to minus 18 divided by 36, which is just minus a half. Okay, so I divided both sides by 36. So I've worked out what a needs to be. So I can write my final equation as y is equal to, and this is just taking it from this format, a is minus a half, so I get minus a half x squared. 8 times minus a half is negative 4, so I get minus 4x. And I get 16 times minus a half is take away 8, or minus 8, plus 1 is minus 7. Okay, so I've just substituted a is minus a half into this equation, into this expression here, and I get y is equal to minus a half x squared take away 4x, take away 7, and that is the solution to this problem. Okay, so I think that's a nice little exercise just to see how much you know.